Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Dennis Rattiner of Align the Spine Chiropractic and Wellness Center here in Lilburn, Georgia. And today we're going to be talking to Pam, who had a good experience at our clinic. So welcome, Pam.
Thank you.
Alright, so tell me, what did you first come to our clinic for?
I had really bad low back pain and neck pain.
Okay, when did that start? How long had you suffered from these conditions?
Many years. The low back pain got really serious for a week. And
Okay.
That was when I decided to come in.
Now, when was the first time the low back bothered you before the real serious part?
15 years ago.
Alright, so it's like
Been a
a
long
chronic
time.
long-term problem, but it got really bad at one point.
Right.
What about the neck? How long had that been going on for?
The neck was just chronically bad for about 15 years. I was in an auto accident.
15 years ago. That's one of the things I find when I talk to people a lot is they're in an accident, they might not feel much at the time, but over the years and years things tend to get worse and worse, and eventually it really bothers them, and that's when they go. And that's why I always tell you people at home, if you're in a car accident, get checked by a chiropractor first thing. Don't wait, because the longer you wait, the worse it gets, the harder it is to fix. So yeah, this is a chronic issue, and it kind of got real bad, and that's what brought you in, and that's pretty common. Now, when you came here and we took care of you, what was the experience? What was the environment like in our office? How was it?
It's really nice here. It's actually even different than other chiropractic offices. It's such a family atmosphere. We've actually made friends in your waiting room.
Good. Yeah, we try to keep it pretty friendly, and I like people to enjoy their visits here, so glad you had that experience. As we took care of you, how did the neck pain do? How did the back pain do? How did you feel? How did that go?
So much better. In fact, we even found other problems. You fixed my tennis elbow for me that I didn't even realize was a problem at the time.
Yeah. A lot of times people know that chiropractors treat the neck and the back, and they don't realize we can work on elbows and hands and feet and things like that.
Right.
How did you find out we take care of elbows? Was it someone next to you, or?
Dr.
Matt?
Dr. Matt is very good about saying, is there anything else I can do for you?
Good.
And so as other problems crop up, he takes care of them.
Excellent. Yeah, at our office we always try before the patient gets off the table to say, is there anything else you want us to check? Because sometimes if we do forget something or there's a new condition, we like to make sure we get everything in place before you leave the office. So yeah, that's great. Sometimes it's funny when we adjust people, they'll overhear someone else's adjustment and say, oh, I didn't know you fix feet too. And so that's how they find out, all right, let me have this guy work on my feet today. But that's great. I'm glad that you had such a good experience with that here. Now, were there any additional benefits that you noted with your treatment that you didn't really expect or you didn't come for, but you saw other things got better too?
I am able to get to sleep much easier than I used to be. I think because of my neck getting to be a different position,
Good.
It's easier to fall asleep now.
Okay, that's good. And that's important because sleep's when you heal. So if you're having trouble healing, and then if you're having trouble sleeping, then you wake up and you're tired and your body doesn't heal right, and then you hurt worse, and then you can't sleep more, and it forms a bad cycle. So that's great that you're able to sleep better, because I'm sure that helped with the healing too. So that is wonderful. What do you say to the people at home that are kind of nervous about going to a chiropractor, or they're not sure? What do you think they should do?
I've definitely been recommending you to my friends and family and saying, come in here because it's a great place to be and you'll feel better.
Well, good. Well, thank you so much. If you guys at home have anything that you might want my help for, you're welcome to call our office at 770-925-0088. That's 770-925-0088. Or you can find us at www.alignthespine.org. Thanks so much for listening. Bye.